Hello. Welcome to our hospital.
Hi, I feel very bad today.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that.
My head hurts a lot.
Do you have a fever too?
I don't know. I feel hot.
Let's find out. I am Dr. Anna.
Nice to meet you. I'm Tom.
Are you a new patient here?
Yes, this is my first time.
Don't worry, Tom. We help everyone.
Thank you. I'm a bit scared.
Hospitals are safe places. Trust me.
The lobby is very big and white.
Yes, white is a clean color.
It smells like soap and medicine.
That means the hospital is clean.
Where is your office, Dr. Anna?
It is on the second floor.
Can we go there now?
Yes, follow me to the elevator.
I prefer to take the stairs.
Walking is good, but you are sick.
You are right. I am very tired.
Let's take the elevator then.
Okay, it is very fast.
Here we are, room number 5.
My legs feel very weak.
Sit down and relax, Tom.
Thank you. I am sitting now.
Welcome to my office. Please enter.
It is a very bright room.
I like the sun. It is healthy.
You have many posters on the walls.
They show how the body works.
The human heart looks very complex.
It is a very strong pump.
My heart is beating very fast.
That is because you are nervous.
Can I sit on this high bed?
Yes, please. It is for patients.
Sitting. It is a bit tall.
Now I can see you better.
Do you have many patients today?
Yes, many people have the flu.
Oh no, do I have the flu?
I don't know yet. Let's check.
I hope it is just a cold.
A cold is easier to treat.
I need to go to work tomorrow.
Health is more important than work.
But I have a new job.
I know, but you need rest.
I met Emma yesterday at work.
Emma is a very nice manager.
She told me you are great.
That is very kind of her.
Now I feel a bit better.
Good. Let's start the examination.
I am ready, Dr. Anna.
I am using my stethoscope now.
It looks very cold, is it?
A little bit. Just be brave.
Yes, it is very cold.
Deep breath in, please.
Like this?
Yes. Now breathe out slowly.
My chest feels heavy.
Your lungs sound very clear.
That is a good sign, right?
Yes, it is very good.
Why is my heart so loud?
It is a very healthy sound.
I can hear it too.
Now breathe deeply again.
I am doing my best.
You are a very good patient.
I want to be healthy again.
We will make you healthy soon.
Do I need a big operation?
No, Tom. No operation.
Phew, that is a big relief.
Your heart is very strong.
I go to the gym often.
That is why your heart is good.
But today I feel very weak.
The body needs rest sometimes.
I sleep 6 hours every night.
You need 8 hours of sleep.
I will try to sleep more.
Now, let's check your temperature.
Do you use a glass thermometer?
No, I use a digital one.
It is much faster, I think.
Yes, it takes only 5 seconds.
Where do I put it?
Put it in your ear, please.
It makes a beep sound.
Oh, you have a fever.
Is it a very high fever?
It is 38 degrees.
That explains why I am hot.
You need to drink a lot.
I drink water every hour.
Water and hot tea are best.
I like tea with honey.
Honey is very good for you.
My mother always gives me honey.
Mothers know the best medicine.
I feel very dizzy right now.
That is because of the fever.
Should I lie down?
Yes, stay on the bed.
My head is spinning a little.
Just keep your eyes closed.
It is dark and quiet now.
I'm here with you, Tom.
You are a very kind doctor.
I want you to feel comfortable.
Thank you, Dr. Anna.
Open your mouth wide, Tom.
Ah, like this?
Wider, please. I need to see.
Ah, it is very wide now.
I am using this wooden stick.
It feels strange on my tongue.
I am also using a light.
The light is very bright.
Your throat is very red.
Does it look very bad?
It is a typical infection.
Is it because of the ice?
Did you eat a lot of ice?
I had a cold drink yesterday.
Cold drinks are bad for throats.
I will drink warm water now.
That is a very wise choice.
My throat hurts when I speak,
Then speak less and rest more.
but I like to talk.
I can see that, Tom.
I am a very social person.
Save your voice for next week.
Okay, I will be silent.
You can use a scarf too.
I have a blue wool scarf.
Perfect. Keep your neck warm.
I look funny in a scarf.
Being healthy is more important.
You are right, as always.
I am writing a prescription now.
Is it for many pills?
Just 2 types of medicine.
What is the first one?
It is for your high fever.
And the second one?
It is for your red throat.
Do I take them with food?
Yes, always after your breakfast.
How many times a day?
3 times, morning, noon, and night.
I will put a timer on.
That is a very smart idea.
I don't want to forget.
You must finish the whole box.
Even if I feel better?
Yes, especially if you feel better.
I understand. I will be careful.
Do you have a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, there's one near Emma's.
Good. You can go there now.
Can I drive my car?
No, you are too dizzy today.
I will take a taxi then.
A taxi is much safer for you.
Thank you for the advice.
I am printing the paper now.
I see the ink on the paper.
Here is your prescription, Tom.
I am holding it carefully.
Here is a glass of water.
Thank you. I am very thirsty.
Take this small white pill now.
Is it very bitter?
No, it has no taste.
It was very easy.
Drink the whole glass, please.
Water is very refreshing.
It helps the medicine work fast.
How long does it take?
You will feel better in an hour.
I can wait for an hour.
You should also eat some soup.
Chicken soup is my favorite.
Chicken soup is the best choice.
My grandmother makes great soup.
She can help you this week.
I will call her tonight.
Family support is very important.
I am lucky to have them.
And you are lucky to be young.
Young people recover very fast.
Exactly. You are very strong.
My headache is going away.
The medicine is starting to work.
I can see clearly now.
That is very good news, Tom.
I am not dizzy anymore.
But you must still be careful.
I will stay in bed tomorrow.
Our time is finished today.
Thank you for everything, doctor.
It was a pleasure to help.
I feel much better already.
Remember, rest and drink tea.
8 hours of sleep, right?
Yes, 8 hours is perfect.
And no cold drinks for me.
No ice cream and no ice.
I will miss the ice cream.
You can eat it next month.
I will wait until I am well.
If you feel bad, call me.
I have your number on the paper.
I am always here to help.
You are a very special doctor.
I just love my patients, Tom.
I am ready to go.
Walk slowly to the exit.
I am waving goodbye now.
Goodbye, Tom. Take care.
Bye-bye, Dr. Anna. See you soon.
Hopefully not in the hospital.
Maybe at the park.
That would be much better.
I am opening the door now.
Have a very quiet evening.
You too. Enjoy your rest.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.